You know, a lot of people ask me, they're like, what is Squint? And yes, Squint is AI, but Squint is so much more than that. It is built for the industrial environment. When my technicians are going out, we can't get it right 70% of the time. Our customers depend on us to be that superhero that gets it right every time, and Squint gives us that ability. Carolina Handling is the premier intralogistics company here in the Southeast. So we handle forklift, conveyor, service, parts, consulting, everything that a customer needs to construct the ecosystem that is their supply chain. It's real easy to talk about our people. They are the lifeblood of what we do. Before Squint, our technicians were facing the problem of not having access to all the data that they needed. A lot of repairs that were on competitive equipment, on equipment that maybe they hadn't seen or hadn't serviced before.
So I don't exactly know what's going on with a code 8L, informed service.
So customer calls in a breakdown, a guy would go into a facility, gets to a forklift, looks at the code, starts to tear it down, realizes, I don't know what's broken. Go back out, get my tough book, come back in, open the manuals, figure out what page it's on, troubleshoot from this PDF to the next PDF and trying to pull it all together. Whereas today, he pulls up Squint and you give it a couple seconds and Squint's come back and said, hey, you're gonna do this and you're gonna do that. Did that work? And oh yeah, that did work.
Squint, how do you access Analyzer menu on an 8 Series Toyota?
Press 4, 1.
And so what we saw really quickly was that there was almost a jealousy factor within our company of like, why does that guy have it and I don't?
And look at there, that gave us access to the Analyzer menu.
The reason that Squint solves our problem is because it gives us access to data and content that we're loading. We've ingested a lot of our manuals. That's a source of truth for a lot of our repairs that we make. But we're also adding a lot of procedural videos, a lot of content that we're making on the fly. What did I do? How did I fix that? Are there steps that I can eliminate in order to make myself more efficient or to make the repair more quickly? When I think about the future of our business with Squint in our hands, it is continuing to expand the capabilities of our technicians. What's the next move we make? How do we make that? And it's a place where we empower our people to go out and be better and to do more.